Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do kind of like a smoked out cat eye. Really, this is my first, well not first, but my first attempt on camera of trying to do more of like a cat eye winged eyeliner. I've been kind of messing around with it for the last few days, and I think I found something that I like. Maybe. I'm going to do two separate techniques on this eye versus this eye. This eye is going to be like dotted. And I'll just show you. It's something I saw on like a Facebook Live, but I haven't tried yet. So we're gonna start with some sandstone pearl, and I'm just going to apply it all over my eye as a primer. All right, I know this is a little obnoxious, this big thing right here, but it's pretty cool. So And then I'm going to go in with amethyst, the crease, and kind of above it. So I have a hooded eye, and everything that I've read and experimented with lately has shown that with hooded eyes, you don't close your eyes to go into the crease. You do kind of like above it. So I'll show you. So I keep my eye open instead of closed. And just right above kind of where the crease is, I do little dots to deposit the color. So see how it's like deposited? And then I kind of buff it out. And I saw this color combo on Pinterest and it was called Desert Rose, and I really liked it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. Okay, so next I'm going to take rose gold glitter and I'm going to put that over my lid. I just looked like Lucille Bluth there. Super awkward. All right, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more amethyst because I don't think it quite built up to what I want it to be. I've noticed that when I do makeup, I do like once and I'm like, all right, cool, we're good. And then when I watch these tutorials, these girls are going in 2, 3, 4 times. And then when I'm done, I'm like, why can't I see any of my makeup? And it's probably because of that. And I still don't like that it's not dark. So that's kind of the problem with rose gold glitter, and that's why I like Shell a little bit better, is that it's just not quite pigmented enough. So let's just get a little crazy here. And I'm gonna leave my eye closed to see if it'll dry a little bit. So the nice thing about Senegence is you don't have to worry about like creasing or whatever, but when you first put the products on, it's still wet, you know? So you can definitely see it now. All right, let's do this other eye. So it's definitely a little more intense than what I would usually wear. So what I'm going to do too is take a little bit more of that sandstone, or that, yeah, sandstone pearl, and kind of get some of this craziness under control. There we go. That's a little bit better. Now I did order some Sigma brushes from the Sigma sale. They just haven't come yet. So, but this is what my eye looks like. And now I'm going to use Eye Sense and in black. And a lot of the things that I was reading were like, oh, if you're new to winged eyeliner, don't start with black, but like I listen. So on this eye, which is kind of the easier eye for me when I've been messing around with doing the wing, I'm going to do what I normally do. And that's, I keep my eye open because I think that's the problem is in the past, I've had my eye closed and it just makes it a lot harder. So with my eye open, I hope this isn't like, oh, I could just do this. I start in the middle and just go along my lash line and just kind of drag it up like so. And the thing that I noticed and when I was reading is as like a hooded eye, you want to keep as close to the lash line as possible when you're doing your eyeliner, because otherwise you basically cover your entire hood with black and then it just looks, you know, like you've got a black eye. Uh-oh. Oh shit balls. We're just gonna go with it. It's a little thicker than I'd like. Oh, hi Barty. My cat decided to jump on my makeshift table. Oh god. Okay. It's a little funky. I don't know if you can see what I did there, but it's like kind of thick in that one area. And it also, it's supposed to, the bottom part is, it like the wing is supposed to be kind of like a continuation of your under eye. Which it kind of is. Yeah, if you draw a line. Okay. Well, that side's a little jankety. So as you can see, I don't really have this under control. Now let's do the other eye, and I'll show you this dot technique that I was talking about. So instead of just drawing, what she did is she did like a dot right in the middle, a dot further down, and then a dot kind of where she wanted her wing. And now she just connects them. So let's see if I can do this. Okay, so connected one dot to the second dot. And then that to the wing. And this helps to make like that thick wing at the end, which I didn't do on this side. So we're just gonna walk around looking a little crazy today, which is fine. All I have to do is a ton of wedding errands because I'm engaged. Anyway, it's fine. It'll be fine. No one really cares, right? I just sell makeup, so who cares if my makeup looks crazy? Yeah, I think the dot technique maybe worked a little bit better. So let's fill in the rest of this eye, put on some mascara, and see if in post-production we can do something about this wing. All right. Yeah, they're a little uneven. Just this one kind of goes further. It's fine. It's fine. I'll just I think this is a testament to the dot method working just a little bit better for someone like me who's just starting out. But let's put some mascara on. You know, you live and you learn. And sometimes you learn that you don't really have any skills, which is fine. So I use the Lash Sense in black, And the thing though is I use a separate wand. So these are the little silicone wands that you can get from Amazon. And they come in like 100 packs for not that expensive. And I use this probably like for 1 or 2 applications. And then I get a new one. But I think it just, because the mascara is so wet, I think it breaks it up a little bit more because I was having trouble with it being very clumpy, and I think this is the key. All right, so there you have it. This is kind of my desert rose look with my attempt at a winged eyeliner. I think I'm gonna stick with the dot method from now on. Thanks for playing, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.